Hey, this is Earl from Earl RV Tips. Anyway, sorry, struggle here. Um, it's probably about a 95 or 100 degrees here in the trailer, at least it is outside. Anyway, what I did today was I installed a dimmer switch on above the recliner. There's two lights, as you can see, they're on right now. If I can, right here, yeah. No, they're not on. Anyway, let me flip it on here. Here's the switch. It's upside down, but I'm gonna flip it on. And you can see the lights are on. Now I'm gonna move the dimmer switch all the way up. And then all the way down. And then off. Okay, now if I can show you the wires, hold on a second. Right here, if you can see, is a connector. And it has the red wire from the dimmer switch going to the orange and white striped wire, and it goes in here and it's heading downward. Now over here, the white wire from the switch says white wire is ground. So here's the white wire of the dimmer switch, and I have it to this wire here, which is also a orange and white stripe, and it's going up to the lights. The other one is the black wire, which is on the dimmer switch. The black wire is ground, and it goes to this white wire. It's all white, but it was a solid wire, but I cut it in halves so I can test it anyway. And I put my ground tool. Let me see if I can find my tool. What the heck did I do with my tool? Hold on a second. Sorry. Anyway, here's my 12-volt test tool. So I inserted that in what I was guessing was the ground, and then I touched this orange and white connector, and my tester lit up. So I knew that this orange and white was the positive, and if that's a positive, then that was the ground, and the only thing left was what they call the PWM white. That's probably the negative of the light going up. Anyway, I hope this helps, because I had a heck of a time getting it on there. Anyway, thanks. This is a 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 226 RK fifth wheel. And all I did was take out the old off and on switch, and I put in a dimmer. And I had tried two other dimmers. Could have been my fault, but for some reason they would not work. They would come on, but I couldn't turn them off. So anyway, I got another one here that was recommended by Caesar for me. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.